October 4th, 2018. Indonesian military personnel arrive in Palu on the island of Sulawesi. They are bringing aid for people injured in the earthquake and tsunami last week. In Belgium, NATO's Secretary General reacts to computer attacks linked to the Russian government. He warns Russia to stop its reckless behavior. India's top court says the government can send 7 Rohingya back to Myanmar. The men were arrested in 2012 for entering India illegally. And European football star Cristiano Ronaldo denies sexually attacking a woman in the United States in 2009.